everyone, are you or a loved one living with a disability? Today, we're going to be talking about the Disability Tax Credit, or DTC, a valuable resource from the Canada Revenue Agency. Hibaq here, and welcome back to Ontario Without Barriers. We're delving into the details of the DTC program, how it works, and how to apply. The information in this video is based on the Government of Canada's website from February of 2025. The information is based on publicly available sources. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal or financial advice. So what exactly is the Disability Tax Credit? It's a non-refundable tax credit meant for individuals with severe and prolonged impairments reduce the amount of income tax they have to pay. The goal is to offset some of the extra costs that is incurred when having a disability. Remember, it is a non-refundable credit, so if the amount you owe is above the amount of credit you get, you will not get the difference as a refund. There are two main steps in accessing DTC. First is applying for the program, and second is claiming it on your tax return. Applying involves you and a medical practitioner to verify your impairment. Once approved, you can claim the disability amount on your tax return. Being approved for DTC can open the doors to you accessing other federal programs like the Registered Disability Savings Plan. Let's talk about eligibility. If you have a severe or prolonged physical or mental impairment, you can apply. This involves meeting criteria that impact your daily life. Now, how can you apply? First, you need to find a qualified medical practitioner to certify your impairment. This can include a medical doctor, a nurse practitioner, an optometrist, a psychiatrist, and many others. Keep in mind that the medical practitioner may charge a fee for completing the application. Keep in mind that you can apply for DTC any time of the year, but it's best to submit the application separately from your tax return to avoid delays. You can either do a digital form or a paper form, but choose only one option to avoid delay. Once submitted, CRA will review your application. The aim is to process your application within 8 weeks, but it may take longer if there's missing information. You can track the status of your application through your CRA My Account. CRA may choose to contact your medical professional for more information. You'll receive CRA's decision by either email or mail. If approved, you can claim the DTC on your tax return for eligible years. If denied, you will be told why and given options for your appeal. If the person with the impairment doesn't need the full amount, then they can transfer it to a supporting family member that's approved on the application. For the 2024 tax season, applicants who are 18 years and older can claim $9,872. For applicants who are under 18, they can claim a further $5,758 supplement. The fees from your medical practitioner for completing the application can be claimed as medical expenses. If your eligibility goes before the date of your application and you haven't claimed the expense, then you may be able to backdate your return for 10 years. Remember to check the CRA website for specific information and eligibility criteria. I hope this overview of the Disability Tax Credit was helpful. For more information about other tax credit and financial resources, check out the ebook section of my website. A link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications, and I will see you next week.